Welcome to the Trading Daddies podcast, hosted by yours truly, Nico Reyes. We found Jack Ma.
Yeah.
We found him. Boys, load up the carts, load it up. We found him. We won. Jackie's going to come out with a vengeance. Baba ran 15 points. And as always, my amazing co-host.
Yeah.
We have a special guest for you guys today. Jeff Coe is in the building.
What up, guys?
And as always, please hit the subscribe button, hit the post notification bell so you guys get a good ding, 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 just in case we drop a new episode. Follow us on Instagram. And with that being said, we'll catch you guys on the episode. Welcome to the Trading Daddies podcast, hosted by yours truly, Nico Reyes, and as always, my co-host.
What up, daddies?
Teflizi Foshizi in the house, and we are, how do you say this? Blessed? Nay, we are graced with the presence of the ever so handsome Jefferson Coe. The ever so handsome.
Yeah, thank you guys. Thank you, Nico. Thank you, John. Glad to be here. Thanks for inviting me. Hopefully, I can help you guys out with the basics of crypto, Bitcoin, Ethereum. So, glad to be here. Huge fan of your guys' podcast, by the way.
Thank you. For those who don't know, Jeff is actually John's younger brother. These two, we've been, friends for quite some time now. I mean, we've seen each other. All right. You guys want to hear a very creepy story? One time.
Go ahead.
Do it.
One time I'm at the gym. For the people who don't know, we're at the gym in Walnut Creek at the 24 before I moved to the city. So I'm at the gym. I'm just doing my calf presses because I may not look good from the head to the leg to the knee, but Jesus, I do have some amazingly beautiful calves. I'm gonna say that out loud. I have calf hubris.
Oh,
the side effects of being a husky. For those who don't know, husky is a size, and if you've grown up in the States and you're Filipino, you had a husky phase. I am in my forever husky phase, but the upside of that is my calves. I have calves. I have calves that skinny people dream of.
I do dream of that.
Right. So here I am doing my calf presses, right? And my calf presses, you're just pressing down on your tiptoes, just trying to get your calves in, and you have free range of your hands. You're not going to lift anything. You're not going to move your arms side to side. I'm just texting or whatever, scrolling to Instagram. What else do you do at the gym, right? And here comes Jeff texting me, lift something.
That is so true. 100%. That's what completely happened.
And I'm looking at my Jeff texts me, lift something, and I'm like this. And this is Jeff's face.
100.
It never fails. Sometimes he'll say, look up, and he's doing cardio, and I'm just
Bro, you got to get it in. It's the gym. It's limited time, but we do have time for some IG moments. But we got to get it in, brother.
That was at the time where I was thirst trapping. I was trying to catch a wide net. This is pre-Tinder, by the way. So for those who were in that like lonely phase pre-Tinder, there was those were very slim pickings because you're not allowed to swipe anywhere. You have to really cast a really wide net in order for you to catch something.
Right, yeah. You got to get that.
All right. Assuming that you both of you don't have that problem because God damn it, you're both handsome. But me, I had to play the field. I had to play the field extremely, right? And by no means is this well manicured. This is actually a product of
personality.
Yeah, let your personality pop.
Yeah, I'm luckily I'm funny enough to carry. You know what I mean? I carry that through my personality.
It
Yeah, I have
compensates.
to put
Well
that forward
compensated.
first and foremost.
Yeah, well
But
compensated.
that's some funny Jeff moments that we've had. And and for those who remember a few episodes, remember that one time that John said that his brother lost the watch from Walmart. That was Jeff.
So let's do a recap real quick because we have a lot of new listeners and viewers. Tell us about the Walmart story.
So the Walmart story is Dad's birthday was August 25th, and I wanted to get him an Apple iWatch, and they were sold out at Costco, they were sold out at Target, they're pretty much sold out everywhere for chain supply or supply chain problems due to Corona. So Walmart was just down the street, so I checked out Walmart and they had it right there. And the lady, I bought it, I paid it with my credit card. So the lady who rang me up, she wasn't like in it, with the deal because I rang in a credit card, so she wasn't getting paid. I took it home, gave it to my dad, happy birthday, and he opened it up and he's like, "There's no watch," and it's only like half a strap in this a charger, not even like a plug in, not the reliable.
The cable was missing.
Yeah, the cable was missing or something. So, I mean,
you know how expensive the cables are?
Yeah, who's gonna believe me for that? A $450 watch. So called up my credit card. They said no. Called up Walmart. They said no, or escalated it to like further management.
Walmart said no. They wouldn't honor that.
Who gonna believe me?
It's at Walmart.
Come on, right? So I looked at it this way. I was on a tail end of like a sealed return product, and yeah, so that's what happened.
Let me ask you, which Walmart was that?
Walmart Martinez, the one in Arnold Drive, I believe.
I would have expected that at Walmart Pittsburgh.
Walmart Pittsburgh, I expect that at Walmart Pittsburgh.
But not Martinez.
Yeah, it's right there. It's right there, and I escalated it to like further management, so a telephone customer service. Nah. And Apple, they even like denied me, like, well, since it's not even like activated, they looked up the serial code, it's not even activated, so they can't even like track it.
Wait, but so whoever did the whole switcheroo never turned on the watch.
I think they were waiting for a period of time to turn it on to get it.
You had to.
Yeah, because if you activate it right then and there, you can just track it.
Mm-hmm.
So I think they were waiting for a period of time, and shit like that happens. But,
well, okay, let me ask you a couple more things. I'm assuming that this thing was sealed.
Oh, it was good. It was good. Like it was sealed. Like,
dude, the effort of at this point, I'm not even mad. I'm kind of impressed.
Yeah, at that point, I'm like, you know what? If that's somebody gonna do that, I look at it this way. They're gonna need they need it more than I do. That's how I see it. God bless them. I'm fortunate enough to be in the situation that I'm not gonna sweat, $450 and just get a new watch. This time I bought it at Best Buy. And they had it in stock, so that's why. You know what? Yeah.
So you bought it at Best Buy, but you opened it right in front of the cashier, right?
Nah, they don't have it in store, so they had to ship it at my home. Supply chain, everything's broken these days.
That's better. Yeah. So I still don't understand how you came home and there was no watch, and because I'm a firm believer in Walmart. First of all, like a little disclaimer, I own a lot of shares of Walmart. I think I have about 60, 70 right now. We're building it. That's a shame.
Right.
It's a shame on Walmart.
Right. Because this thing could have easily gone viral. Like, because I posted it on various social media outlets, and it could have easily gone viral with like tons of shares. They could have just kept me quiet and be like, "All right, here's your refund and go away." But but who gonna believe a Filipino kid?
So did you ever get your $450 back from your credit card?
I had to like threaten my Costco credit card, the city card, and I had to write like a formal letter saying like, "Hey, if this purchase protection doesn't cover this type of shenanigan, cancel my shit. Cancel my membership, cancel my credit card."
Oh, Costco's not going to have that. They're not going to miss out on a membership. Hell no.
So they gave me like a letter, like we'll review it again in like 7 days, and then they canceled it.
Oh.
Or they refunded it to me. But I had to go to like that last resort. At first they said no.
Hey, at least you got your money back and you got a free box of Apple Watch with no.
It was half a strap. Like, who the hell steals half a strap? Bruh.
You got your money back, but at least you got an empty box.
I'm really amazed how the thought process of opening a sealed Apple product and then wrapping it again, and then having the tools necessary to shrink wrap it in a way that it looks like it hasn't been tampered with.
Yeah, it was like sealed and like happy, and I was like, all right, it was in stock, and yeah, let's get it.
That's crazy.
All you need is just a hairdryer.
I mean, some type of heat thing. You just put in plastic, heat it up. Yeah. Come on, I mean, we live in the Bay. People do that all the time, right?
Yeah, but like to do it inside of Walmart.
Like, no, I think somebody purchased it, took it home, and then returned it.
Yeah.
You're giving me ideas.
No,
and I'm on the tail end of the returned sealed item, and who the hell gonna believe me?
You're right.
Right, because all the good stuff, like the Apple products, they're sealed in a cage, so the employees really can't mess around with it. Yeah, and I paid with my credit card, so they're not getting the physical cash.
Yeah.
So.
Interesting.
All right, moving on.
That'll be the next episode.
I'm amazed. So for those two, like Jeff's also a new father. How's fatherhood, by the way?
Fatherhood, good. Blessing it's a blessing, definitely.
Good.
First year, she just turned 1 last week.
Yeah.
God damn, it goes quick. Holy shit! I can cuss here. Everybody 18 in your subscribers?
Yeah,
I think so.
Yeah, so dude. Oh my God, it goes quick. Really cherish those moments, and I was fortunate enough to look at it this way because Corona happened, so we were all staying home quarantine.
Oh yeah.
So that gave me the opportunity to go hang out, to see my actual kid grow in front of my eyes.
Yeah.
And not a lot of people can, have that opportunity because, after paternity leave, they're off to work at 6 weeks or whatever. And and I got that opportunity to spend a full year because on a side note, I finished my nursing degree.
Oof.
So yeah.
Congratulations.
So I did the most Filipino thing ever. Got to get a nursing degree, so I did that.
Jeffrey, I'm sick.
So yeah, that, and I mean, fatherhood's amazing. Shout out to my wife, Mallory. She's just an amazing wife. She's a nurse as well at Children's. She kicks ass. She kicks my ass all the time. So because I talk a lot of shit. Talk shit, get hit.
There's a common theme between you brothers.
Talk shit, get hit.
There's a very common theme between you two.
So
you've heard of talk shit, get hit?
Oh, absolutely.
That's my saying.
It runs in a family, so. But yeah.
So you have a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful family. You have a beautiful baby girl.
Yes. She's amazing. Joy to my life.
Baby boy. So.
I mean, you are my baby, so. You are my OG baby. God damn.
I mean, you have a baby girl, and I have a baby boy. I'm gonna visit this soon.
Future ex-boyfriend.
Future ex-boy. Oh shit.
So the reason why we have Jeff here is, other than him just being Adonis in my eyes, he is heavy in cryptocurrency. So we've been teetering around this idea of talking about cryptocurrency, but John and I are not well equipped in doing so. The extent of me investing in cryptocurrency dates back to
non-existent.
It was from 2016 to non-existent because the coin that I was investing in
got delisted.
So
got delisted.
Yes. Ripple.
So
Bro, Ripple getting sued right now, right? By SEC.
Yeah. So you want to hear a funny story about me holding on to Ripple? So I was holding on to Ripple. Ripple popped to $8, right? And I'm like, all right, this is gonna be the next Bitcoin. And then Ripple went down to 30 cents. So
I got in at 30 cents actually.
So I had so much Ripple. I had like 214 coins. 214 coins because I bought it at roughly around $3 to $4.
Uh-huh.
Good returns. I would have already made some. I should have sold and made some bank, right? But
Right.
this was before Coinbase was allowing to exchange Ripple on Coinbase.
Mhm.
So I had my own like wallet that I found off the dark web, and it was super sketchy. And I kept buying and buying and buying.
I mean,
And then on the day that the SEC said that they're about to get delisted, I was already making a Ripple shirt, like a Ripple design.
And I remember that, and you're like, how about we put a pause on this?
Put a pause on that design right there.
So glad to say that I don't know much about cryptocurrency, and I don't know about John's experience with cryptocurrency, but he told me that you're heavy into crypto. So we'd love to pick your brain and how you got started in cryptocurrency. We have a lot of listeners and or viewers that are interested. They're bit curious.
You're bit curious.
The first time we ever said the word bit curious, trademark of tradingdaddies.com. But we want to hear your story and what got you started in cryptocurrency, where you see it, what qualifies for you in cryptocurrency for you to invest your money into it.
So first, just a little bit of my background. I manage online poker player accounts. So
you're a degenerate.
Pretty much, yeah. So the degenerates they hand me the money and I manage them, and it's basically escrow. So I handle them, and poker players, they love Bitcoin. So that's how I first started to get the Bitcoin. So I was skeptical at first because obviously it was just like volatile. Don't know what the hell am I doing. I even had to like phone a friend and be like, hey, can you help me set up a Coinbase account? Because I don't know what the hell this is. What's a wallet? What's how do I deposit? How do I withdraw this? So my friend AJ, he helped me set up a Coinbase account, got it ready in about a couple days or so. So my first poker player deposited me. It gave me like 10K already. So I'm like, okay, so there is potential here. So somebody gave me 10K in Bitcoin. At that time, I believe the Bitcoin price was 6K. Around there, like 6K. Because and I managed, and for some reason, poker players love Bitcoin, and I would get around 10 players that would send me Bitcoin every week. And obviously I would disperse Bitcoin too, because that's my job. So that's how I started. And I researched more about it. And the more I research on Bitcoin is the more I started to like it. So the basics of Bitcoin is nobody owns it. Like, it's decentralized. I know you guys heard that word a lot. No bank owns it. No government owns it. No one person owns it. Everybody owns it. You can even start with like as little as $1. PayPal, you can get one, PayPal or Square, you can purchase Bitcoin for like as little as $1. So nobody owns it. It works on a blockchain. Basically, it works on multiple computers. Ledger, it's like a book, and everybody can see what's in that. It's like a spreadsheet. Everybody can see and verify the spreadsheet, see like transactions. So it's open, open to everyone. And once you send that Bitcoin to somebody else, it cannot be retracted. So that's one of the cons, actually, is once you send it, you can't get it back.
Yep.
So make sure your wallet address is correct. And we're going to talk about wallet addresses later on to make sure how to keep that safe. But your wallet address is basically like your routing number, checking number. It's specifically to your wallet, like your physical wallet. So yeah, blockchain, ledger, how it's made, it's being mined. Actually, China mines a lot of Bitcoin. Everything in China is made. So, not surprisingly, China is mining a lot of Bitcoin, and I believe they're being mined about 9,000 a day, and
9,000 coins a day.
9,000 coins a day, around there. So with that, that's not a lot of coins because institutional buyers are actually flowing in a lot of money. Like MicroStrategy, I believe they funneled in over $1 billion. That's a B with a Biden bump. So,
Oh, we
so
love the
You've been watching, yeah.
yeah, because even that's just one company. They're putting in $1 billion just last year, 2020, and that's just one company. There was talks of like Tesla, because Elon is
Mhm.
he's a believer in Dogecoin. I don't know if you guys heard about that, but
Yeah, yeah.
Dogecoin is basically another cryptocurrency. But it's shit. Don't buy it.
Yeah.
Basically, yeah, it's a bubble, and just buy
So,
Bitcoin and Ethereum.
so real quick, what top 3 coins do you believe in?
Um, Top three would be Litecoin, Bitcoin, Ethereum.
Because
Bitcoin
those were the
first.
original 3.
Yeah, Bitcoin first, market cap, because market cap on it is like ninth in the world in
Oh,
terms of like companies. So
Yep.
people calling it a scam, if it's ninth in the world, what makes you after that, like the 10th, 11th, and are they bubbles too? Are they scams too? And actually their market cap is only like the price of Bitcoin to hit 500K. That means that's going to beat gold's market cap.
Mm-hmm.
So if you beat gold's market cap, it would be the definite store of value that you want to park your money in. Because a lot of people are, I mean, that's what I heard. A lot of people are, storing their money in gold, but gold's not really moving. The percentage of gold's not really rising. So they look for other stores of value, like, because they got to protect their money. Inflation's going to kill you 2% a year, and your purchasing power, loaf of bread, that's going to go up. Gallon of gas is going to go up.
gallon of
So
milk.
hey, you got your oat milk or whatever it is, it's going to go up. So that's why you got to park your money where, don't park it in a bank. God damn, don't do that. That's going to be like less than 0.001%. You're just going to kill yourself right there. So just people are looking at parking it somewhere else. To me, I do own a lot. Well, not a lot actually. I only own like a little over 100. Um, so um, I'm just parking it there, and I'm holding it, hodling it for like the long term.
Wait,
Um,
a little over 100 coins?
No, 100K, not 100
Oh, I was about
coins.
to say. I was about to say,
Man,
what are you doing here?
if he was holding 100 Bitcoins, he wouldn't be doing the podcast with us.
Be doing
I know. What are you doing here if you're holding 100 Bitcoin?
He would be in a limo drinking a diamond encrusted cup.
You'd be drinking diamond straight.
But yeah, it's not just a little bit over 100K. That's how I got started with Bitcoin. People sent me money or sent me Bitcoin, and I just researched more about it. And it's getting more mainstream. And I hate that word because once people mainstream Bitcoin, people are going to be more skeptical about it. But that's also a good thing because, you know, they're going to invest, they're going to go in and buy Bitcoin. And but I'm not a financial advisor, but I do suggest researching in what you invest in because it is less volatile in my opinion right now because institutional money's flowing in. So once institutional money flowing in, it's going to be less volatile. So we did have a 25% correction, I believe, last week, where we went from 42K, which is we'd actually double topped. Yeah, we went from 42K to like 20,
30,
yeah,
28.
30, yeah. I had a buy
Yeah.
order. Thank God it didn't hit. So yeah, it went to 30K, and then right now it's stabilizing around 35.
36.
Yeah,
Yeah.
around there, 35, 36. For the new investors, I should just don't sweat the small ups and downs. Look at it, just hold it for 6 months or a year, whatever your risk management is.
Ask John what his risk management is.
I got 3 kids, man. You think I got risk management?
Ask him how ask him how much his leverage is, and ask him how much risk he's willing to take.
What's your leverage, bro?
and you're telling me the minus 500 lock on me having a 4th kid? Minus 500? Come on.
Right. So you're telling me that you have 10x leverage and you have no risk. All right, guys, now it's a minus 1,500.
Are you trading on a margin here? What are you doing?
Definitely a favorite.
The spread got wider, boys.
Jesus.
And the day that I announce that, my wife's pregnant, I'll be like, I'm quitting Trading Daddies, bro. Like, I'm a full-time daddy now.
Full-time daddy.
You're gonna have to. So that's really cool. That's really interesting. And in terms of the top 3 coins that you talked about, right? How diverse is your portfolio in terms of the different types of coin? Also, top 4 is Ripple, right? I mean, I'm just saying, I still have hope.
Ripple actually on Coinbase is number 4 on terms of like popularity and the trading volume.
Yeah.
But it will be replaced by like I think Stellar, because Ripple or Coinbase is stopping XRP trading. I think they did already. I think they stopped it.
I got an email earlier saying, "Hey, if you haven't sold or transferred it yet,
it's mine now."
So that's basically
with your 214 coins.
Right.
It's like me flexing my financial muscle, and the SEC sends me a text and says, "Lift something."
Bro,
get off your IG, bro.
Hey, bro. I just did the math. Your 214 coins are worth how much is it? $60.
$60. $60.
That'll get you something,
guys.
That'll get you something.
$60.
Yeah, XRP is gonna be. I don't know. It might bounce back, but right now it's having in rough waters because of the SEC probe. Apparently they didn't file something correctly, but I don't know where it's gonna go. I try not to go there, but like what you said, or like what you asked, I believe it's top 3 or top 4 is well, I do hold Bitcoin, I do hold Ethereum, Litecoin's up there. I do own a few Ethereum. Actually, Ethereum is projected to outperform Bitcoin this year, by percentage wise, which they did last year. It's kind of on a quiet storm right now because Bitcoin taking all the mainstream hype because it's the first cryptocurrency. So Ethereum, I think it's under the rug, quiet, but it's running. If you look at it this way, the difference between Ethereum and Bitcoin, Ethereum is kind of like the oil that runs the world, and Bitcoin is like your gold, digital gold that you just store a value. On Ethereum, you can run multiple apps, and you can create some stuff off Ethereum just to keep it simple. But Bitcoin, you can fork off Bitcoin, but Bitcoin's here to stay. And the last Bitcoin will be mined, I believe, 2140. So we'll be dead for sure. My baby's gonna have my Bitcoin.
So is that like there's a certain amount of coins that's being allowed to be mined, and then it's gonna stop?
Yeah. So every 4 years. So if it's being mined 9,000 coins a day, every 4 years, to stop the inflation of the numbers, they have it. I mean, I don't know the technical numbers of that, but they have every 4 years.
Isn't that coming soon in March?
It happened last year already, and that's why when I was holding in March, I was kind of like freaking out. Like, should I? Because I think from previous halvings, the price was super volatile. So people were selling off because they don't know what's going to happen.
Yeah.
So thank God, I just held on to my coins when it halved, and it didn't the volatility wasn't there. So I just kept on holding. So,
Awesome.
but yeah, I mean, that's my suggestion is just to hold. Just invest in what you can, willing to risk. Don't use your rent money, obviously. So that's what I did.
So it's kind of like what we preach here, right? That time in the market is better than timing the market.
Mm-hmm.
Exactly.
So, oh, interesting.
Because it'll prove you that you would, withstand these dips and roller coaster rides. Because especially in crypto, because I was one point when we had that 25% correction, I was down like I screenshotted it to John. I was down like 32K in like 2 days or some shit.
You have no risk, huh? You have no risk either.
Oh no, he has no risk, man.
You guys are brothers for sure.
To me, like
I think it runs in the family.
It's fine, I know it's just a number, but 32K is a lot of money. But in my long term view, it's gonna go up. And actually, my Bitcoin estimate is gonna be end of the year. My Bitcoin price is I think $238,000, and I came to that price because that's the exact number from planet Earth to the moon. So I cannot. So $238,000 is from here to the fucking moon. Fake moon for all the fake believers out there.
Oh my god, what a degenerate number!
That's awesome. How you made that up?
But actually, no, I'm just messing with you. But the real number is going to be around 300,000. A lot of estimates says it's going to be 300,000 by end of the year because that's the new price of a Lamborghini. So we're going to go with that.
Oh, where did he go?
I think he signed off himself.
Oh my god, come back! Where did he go?
That's fine. He signed off himself.
Oh, there he is. He's back.
Sorry.
You got so excited with the Lambo.
I know, he got excited with the Lambo. Come back, Jeff.
All right.
Oh, there we go.
What a special show.
I mean, I'm tripping. I laughed my ass off on that one. But yeah. So for real, I think on conservative note, I think the price would be around 75K. End of the year. No jokes. No Lambos, no moonings. 75K end of the year.
75K would still get you 2 Lambos.
Well, yeah.
Model X, maybe.
Yeah, but I mean, you can get a Model 3 or whatever, the 4-door. No, you can get one for like $1 So
we're about the gull wings in here. You know what I mean? Like I want like if I ever get a Tesla, I want my cars to do the Beyonce.
No. Queen Bey.
I cannot.
But yeah. Just hodl it. Yeah, hodl forever. And don't let the dips and the rips get to you because if you can't handle the downswing, you don't deserve the upswing for sure.
That deserves to be on a shirt.
Yeah, so if you can't handle it.
Oh, I like that. I'm gonna put that down.
Yeah, write that shit down.
Write that shit down. 10% of proceeds go to Jeff.
Nah. That's why I'm super bullish, man. I mean,
there you go.
I urge each listener, each investor to just diversify your portfolio. And a lot of the portfolio managers out there are allocating 2% of their portfolio to crypto, and that's just for store value. It's not just for growth, but store value as well, just to hedge against the dollar. Yeah.
For sure.
We're now in a new administration, so we could definitely see a scenario where the economy can definitely recover. There will be some swings here and there just due to potential uncertainty with different policies, but I think overall we're gonna see a less volatile economy with less draconian policies.
Hopefully,
if I'm gonna be completely honest. But I mean, let's do some light current events. They found Jackie Ma.
Where in the world is Jackie?
He sprung up out of nowhere, And I'm going to say this right now, that Jack Ma looks a little reconditioned. You know, when you send out your iPhone for repairs and it comes back slightly looking new, Jack Ma slightly looking a little bit new.
Is this a clone, Jack Ma?
Fixed. So they found Jack.
Is this
Baba ran today. Baba went up 15 points because they found Jack. So whoever was holding Baba through this entire "Where is Jack" scene,
I did.
We found him. We found Jack. I mean, I'm gonna say this too for our listeners. Round of applause to all of our listeners and to all that participated, because we went out there. We said, "Hey, where's Jack?"
We made shirts.
We made shirts.
It didn't age well.
Jack, we found him. We got him, boys. Congratulations to all of us that we helped find Jack Ma. It was a concerted effort. Shout out to the Trading Daddies Nation for helping out. That we found Jack Ma. As I said,
The nation.
earlier, we have a new administration, so the market is extremely bullish right now. That we're seeing a new administration, and futures are running a little bit higher. Good that Jeff's here, because we also feel like part of that economic plan could include some cryptocurrency in the future, because they definitely see the value as more progressive undertones get in the ether of our economy and our government. We'll definitely be, you know what I mean? We'll definitely be excited for that. Boeing is running because apparently Joe Biden rode in a Boeing.
Yep.
A luxury Boeing, so that's running too.
Who has shares and calls?
Big data's running. Where I think, hey, can we call this the 2021 bull run?
I think so. Yeah.
We've been calling it.
The Biden bump is alive, boys.
Biden bump is alive. No more Donald Pump.
No more Donnie Pump.
Donnie Pump, baby.
Pump. There we go.
Donald Pump.
No more Donald Pump. We're up. We're now in all aboard the Biden bump. The Biden bump is not white. I mean, the Biden is white, but the Biden bump is not white powder. Biden bump is the bump in your portfolio because of good stock valuations.
Good save.
It's all about the gains.
Good save.
So plays for the rest of the week, John.
Oh, I got Boeing. I got shares and calls on that one. I got 2 leap calls, and then 5 next week expiration. And I also got Fastly. Fastly ran.
Yeah. Fastly
Palantir looks. It's consolidating. You know, I still have my shares and my leap calls. And then, dude, we had a great week.
We're having a great month.
We're having a great month. I think it might be a record month again. So, yeah.
What about you, Jeff? What are you looking for?
Actually, I'm looking forward to the trillions of dollars that Biden's administration is handing out, because that would raise the crypto price a lot. You know, so everybody's
a lot of people who will get a new stimmy.
New stimmy, exactly.
Stimmy goes directly into Bitcoin. That's definitely a possibility. So
or Tesla,
or Tesla.
Yeah,
you know, just the hype stocks. I think that we're going to be excited with another $1,400, and I think they'll be able to pass this a little bit faster than the last time. I don't think we're going to have to wait.
Do you think the market's priced in on that?
Huh?
Do you think the market's priced in on that, or no, not yet?
No, not this new stimmy.
Not yet.
Not this new stimmy. A little bit on the reason why we're a little bit more bullish on the new stimmy is because the last stimmy that passed, it was a minuscule stimmy. It was a stimmy in small caps. This one is going to be a stimmy in all caps. And we're going to see more support, not just for our personal checks, but it's going to be a bigger package. So Biden's coming in here pretty hot. So we're super excited. As far as my plays go, dude, I saw that Twitter chart and I am in love with Twitter.
I know.
Yeah.
We looked at that too a couple of days ago.
I'm in love with the Twitter chart. I'm still holding on to Aunt Jamia. I'm thinking of letting go of Aunt Jamia. I have FedEx. FedEx popped after hours, so I'm kind of excited about that.
Yep.
We're also Apple also ran after hours. I'm still in Palantir. I'm still in Neo. I'm just waiting for these plays to marinate. We'll do a more in-depth look at the portfolios this Saturday episode. But before we bounce, Jeff, any last words?
Thanks for having me. I mean, hodl your Bitcoins, don't sell them to institutions. Hang in there, don't sell. That's how I see it. And if you can't handle the downswing, you don't deserve the upswing.
Oh God, that's so gorgeous. Oh my God.
So yeah.
Oh, oh my God. You guys heard of the Sistine Chapel, the Michelangelo, when like the things are touching?
Yeah,
that's not compared to what Jeff said. Jeff said was just masterful.
It's hot.
It's hot. It's hot.
I know. Feeling a little moist after that.
Keep hodling, baby. Hopefully we can, when we hit 50K, you'll have me back.
Oh, there we go, 50K.
We'll hit next week. We'll hit next week.
Yeah, we're gonna raffle for a MacBook Pro for you. Okay.
Hey, shout out to Ricky, by the way, who won the Bitcoin raffle. But if it hits 50K, I'll raffle 200. So.
Oh, there we go. I
got you.
See. But with that being said, follow me on Instagram at Trading Poppy. Follow John at John C Trades. Jeff, you want to plug your Instagram?
My Instagram's at 34diamonds. You can find me in both of your guys' IG.
There you go.
Yeah.
Nice. At Trading Daddies, tradingdaddies.com for all news, all merch. We found Jack Ma. I'm so excited. We found Jack Ma. I can't stop talking about. I feel like one of these days he's gonna come out with a music video, a la Eminem, like this looks like a job for me, like that Eminem. And he goes, yeah, the CCP won't let me be. You know what I mean?
Be me, so let me see. They're trying to shut me down on MTV. They feel so empty without me.
There you go. You know what I mean? So that's exactly. Jackie, if you ever watched this episode, if you're listening, we've been rallying behind you, Jackie. We deserve a little bit of your stimmy. Just stop on the show real quick. But with that being said, we'll definitely catch you guys on the next episode. Again, thank you guys. We love you. We're out, and let's get trading.
Yeah.
Peace.